Meanwhile, here in South Korea, the benchmark KOSPI is making history yet again, having pushed past the 7,000 mark just 2 months after hitting above 6,000. Our economics correspondent Kim Jun-hong covers this latest rally.
Fueled by a relentless rally, Korea's benchmark KOSPI broke through the 7,000 range for the first time ever on Wednesday. According to the Korea Exchange, Wednesday's index finished at 7,384.56, up 6.45% from the previous close. It opened more than 2% higher at 7,093, breaking above the 7,000 mark at the opening bell. The breakthrough came just over 2 months after the KOSPI first topped the 6,000 mark intraday in late February. The rally gained further momentum early in the session, surging into the 7,300 range and triggering a buy-side sidecar that temporarily halted program buying for 5 minutes. The index later climbed as high as 7,426.6, briefly moving above the 7,400 level as well. In particular, the KOSPI's total market capitalization surpassed 6,000 trillion won, approximately $4 trillion for the first time ever, increasing more than 1,000 trillion won in just about 3 months. Semiconductor heavyweights Samsung and SKhynix were among the main drivers behind the gains, with both closing more than 10% up. Relief over easing tensions in the Middle East helped push global oil prices lower, while positive momentum from Wall Street carried over into the local market overnight, with all 3 major U.S. indexes closing higher on gains in big tech stocks.
Recent first-quarter earnings from major U.S. big tech companies came in far stronger than expected, fueling fresh rallies in tech stocks. As concerns over AI profitability fade, investors are increasingly betting that rising capital spending will deliver major gains for semiconductor makers.
There is also analysis that the strength of the semiconductor sector is helping shield Korea's market from broader economic uncertainty. While oil shocks once pushed the country into trade deficits, chip exports are now offsetting much of the rise in energy import costs, helping keep the market resilient despite geopolitical tensions. Market watchers are increasingly seeing the Korean stock market as entering a phase of structural growth rather than a temporary rally. As semiconductors continue to lead the rally, many believe there is still room to move higher. Kim Jun-hong, 아리랑뉴스.